Today you will know how to edit this yellow wactel photo this to this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, then go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Now we adjust the parameter like this. Color is good now. Now we want to make this photo more dynamic. So create a new layer, go to Edit, Fill, choose 50% gray and from blending mode choose Overlay. Now I use Dodge and Burn tool to make this photo more dynamic. For good composition, now I use Crop tool. To enhance more, I use Curve. As well as photo filter. We have done. Check, this is the before and this is the after. Hope you liked the video. If you like, please share with your friends. For more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.